Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable auto call recording settings on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. And from here, just tap on call recording. And on this page, just scroll down and enable automatically record unknown numbers. Now just tap on always record, and once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically record unknown numbers. Now if you want to record all the calls on your smartphone, just tap on automatically record these numbers. And from here just enable always record selected numbers. Now just tap on always record. And from here just tap on choose a contact. Now, as you can see, these are all the numbers on your smartphone. Just select all the numbers on your smartphone, just like that. And once you enable all the numbers, your smartphone will automatically record the calls of the contacts you have selected. And this is how you can enable auto call recording settings on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.